welcome back to the channel. So I'm off to Spain in one day, tomorrow. I leave tomorrow. And I thought I would do what I've packed to go to Spain versus how I've packed coming back from Spain, because I don't know about you, but every time I go on holiday everything's like so perfectly organized, and when I come back it's a mess. So this is going to be a realistic what I'm taking with me versus how it comes back with me when I get back from Spain. This is what I'm taking with me. It is just my suitcase, a bag, and a pillow, which counts as like a coat thing. So that's what I'm taking. I'm going to start with the suitcase and show you what is in the suitcase. So in the first compartment, I have clothes. So this is just like a massive beach bag that we can all put our towels in and everything to make sure we don't have to like hold too many things. I've then got a kimono, and I've got 2 swimming costumes, a couple dresses, a nightshirt which I just bought. It's actually just a men's t-shirt because they're cheap to sleep in. And then I've got a swim shirt, a pair of shorts, and some day dresses and a couple nice dresses for the evening so that we can go out. One thing about me is that I'm like a notorious overpacker, so I've tried so hard not to overpack. When we went to France, obviously I was only able to travel with a small bag. I wasn't even allowed the suitcase, and that really like showed me how little I needed to pack, to be honest, because I left a lot of stuff behind that I thought I would need, but I actually ended up not needing any of it, so I'm quite happy that I left most of it behind. So I've tried to kind of model this over what I needed while I was out there. There was a couple things that I wish I had brought, so I've packed those this time. So I should be good. So on the other side, it unclips, and I've got a hat just to swim in because I don't want to burn my face too much, so that's what the swim shirt is for as well. Then I've got this little bag that I'm going to put my toiletries in once we get to Malaga, because I'm going to put like my toothbrush, my toothpaste and stuff, and obviously some of those are liquid, so I can't put those in right now. I've then got a pair of shoes to wear and a towel for the beach because I don't want to take the hotel towels down to the beach. I've got this to put my electronics in. At the moment I've only got these in at the moment, and it's just pouches to put your phone in so that you can put your phone underwater. I've only just bought them for this trip, so I'm going to see how those are, and I'm excited to use them because I think that'll be really cool. Next I have just a beach bag. It just has a pair of goggles. I've got pairs for my friends as well that I just need to pop in here, just because I thought it'd be fun to have little goggles with us. Then I've got like a little bag for us going out that's empty, easy. And then here I've got some of the toiletries that obviously I don't need to, that aren't prohibited, so they can just go in here. They don't need to go into a proper bag. So out of the toiletries I did pack, it was mostly just plasters for in case something happens. I've got a couple extra just because some of those in there are like just for cutting, and I'm not going to have scissors, so those will only be helpful if we really hurt ourselves, so hopefully those won't come into use. I've then got a box of ibuprofen just in case I get a headache, and some miniature travel makeup wipes. And they're just like little circle makeup wipes that I took to France, and they were really good, so that's good. And then a pair of sunglasses because everyone needs sunglasses, and some hair bands, and then some like little hair bands as well for if I want to plait my hair to go into the sea or whatever. So those are things that I actually don't need in my like main bag, like my easy to access bag. They're things that kind of hopefully won't need, and because I don't really want to open the suitcase while I'm at the airport, I'd prefer to just be able to keep that close because that's just a faff. So this is the next bag, and this was the one that I took to France on its own. I didn't have the whole suitcase, so it's actually pretty empty at the moment, which I'm happy about. So opening it up, all I have is a couple bits in here really. So I have my liquids that obviously need to go into a plastic wallet. This one's broken, so I'm just gonna, my sister grabbed me some more from when she went on holiday, so I just need to exchange it. But in here I've just got day cream, concealer, some hand sanitizer, some toothpaste, some insect bite repellent, some like after bite, some spray, some mascara. And then I've got these cute little travel things that I bought, and it's got after sun, tanning lotion, and some cream, because when I was in France I burnt myself and I really wanted some cream and my dad didn't have any, so it was a whole faff. Next I have this little compartment. It was a Soap and Glory Christmas set, but I'm using it because it's kind of cute. In here I just have some tissues because that was something we really needed on our last flight and we didn't have any. I've got a hairband in case I want to tie my hair, a toothbrush in case, you know, I'm in the airport, sometimes I want to brush my teeth, some more pills, some hand wipes, and a face mask, just in case we need any of that. Then I've got the book that I'm taking. I was debating between this and When the Cool Sand Sings, but I think this one's a bit more depressing. So I'm taking this one because I think it was going to be a bit happier for holiday. So we'll see. I haven't started it yet, so we'll see how much of that I read. And then I've got, it's just got a travel purse thing that has my euros in it, and then it also has my card. And then the only other thing in here is a scarf, which is for the evenings. But I thought I'd put it in here just to bulk it up, and if I get cold on the plane I can also use it because it is quite big. So that works. In this compartment, all I have is my little travel pack, and some Mentos and a couple pens, just in case we need pens for anything. I have a couple packs of Mentos from when I went to France that were in the bag already, which I can just take. Lastly, in here I just have my French passport, some euros, and our tickets, and some hotel information, because Spain has started a new policy where you need to be able to show your hotel information. And so that is everything that I have in that section. Obviously just have my pillow. This pillow I made myself. I sewed it properly the other day because I made it when I was a kid and it wasn't quite sewed properly, so I've sewed it properly now. Sewn it properly now. And it's coming with me. I also restuffed it, so it's a bit stuffier. It can actually just fit into my travel bag, probably for the way there, and then on the way back I might not have it in there. I'll see you guys when I get back from Spain and I have to unpack to show you guys what I brought back from Spain. I'm back. I'm back home. I won't lie, it's been a couple of days that I've been back home and I've still not unpacked. So let's do what I came home with, because I need to unpack now. I need to do some washing. I need to sort my life out. So we're going to do it now. I'm kind of losing my voice. Don't know why, but it's fine. This is what I came back with. My suitcase, which is like fully packed, a pillow, and this bag, which is like my small carry-on. So let's go through them. Let's do the suitcase first. I'm not prepared for how this looks. I know I just dump things in here on my way home because I can't be bothered. Like on the way there I've usually packed so neatly, and on the way back I don't bother. So let's see. The scarf that I didn't end up using because it was so hot there, you didn't actually need a scarf, so that was useless. Beach bag, which I recommend taking. I use that a lot. One of my dresses needs to be washed. A towel that is, I don't know how to describe the texture of this towel. Stiff, I guess, because it had so much sea salt on it, sea water on it. It is not pleasant. This set is empty. I don't know where the contents of this went. I've just got a couple hair ties in there, and that's it. So I don't know where all that went. This is my flip-flops. Just because Helena broke a glass, and there was glass everywhere, and then glass on the bottom of that. So I did put my flip-flops into a bag, just so it wouldn't get glass on the stuff in here. We've got a little Malaga bag, with nothing in it. A receipt. For what? I have no idea. Oh, I think this was to go on the boat. No, it was not. I don't know what this was for. The receipt for something. Sunglasses, but I ended up actually buying sunglasses out there. These were the sunglasses I ended up buying. They're cute, but yeah, so I've got 2 pairs of sunglasses. Some dirty socks that obviously need to be washed. This I bought out there. Wait. This I bought out there, and how cute, honestly. It's got like buttons that does up, but it's so cute, and it is from Primark, I'm not gonna lie. So that was like a gift to myself. This, which I did use because it helps to block from the sun. More socks. A swim shirt, which I did use, so I'm glad I took that because it was hot. Some more socks. Some soothers. As you see, I did use one because I got a bit of a sore throat while I was out there. So that did come in handy. I just looked inside this and I'm a bit worried. So I've got 2 pairs of goggles, a case to put your phone in so it can go underwater, a thing about the castle, another water case thing, another pair of sunglasses, and that is it. Where all the dumping really came from. So then in here I've got a swimming costume, a dress, and another swimming costume. What's it called? Play suit. This handbag, which I used every day, so it's good. I think it's empty. A little mirror, which I didn't use. We'll go through that in a second. What else have I got in here? My liquids, which is falling apart. An adapter. All my makeup. And then all my liquids that have fallen out. So bug spray, perfume. I did buy myself this, which is very pretty. It's pretty on that side. Because it was really hot and I needed one while I was out there. Then I've just got after bites, some tissues, a razor, and some wet wipes, and my toothbrush. And then in this bag, I have these, we call these bunny ears, and they are delicious. And they sold them in packets, so I bought each one of my family members one of these because they're the best. I bought my sister some nuts. I also bought us some nuts, but we've eaten ours. But these are for my sister because we like those. This is what I meant, what I bought for my sister. And it like goes, you drape it on your back. And it's for flamenco dancers, but it was really pretty, so I bought each of us one. Then got one of these which with some shells in them from the beach. And this is the like popular drink for the festival. Fiesta, sorry. I also bought this little pot, which is cute. It says Malaga. There's some things I can't show because some of my friends will be watching this vlog, and I did buy them some things. So I've got a fridge magnet that needs to go on the fridge, very cute. This that we bought on the last day, it's the Malaga flower. A little pin for Spain. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Wait, it's a little Malaga plaque. It's very pretty. Not least, just a little Starbucks cup because I collect them. And a postcard for Malaga for my scrapbook. And that is everything. And my pillow. And that's everything. That came back with me from Spain. That was a very realistic, like, what I took there, what came back with me, how it all looked. Like, going there was definitely more organised than coming back, but that's because I can never be bothered to pack when I'm coming back, so I just throw everything in. But, that's everything. Thank you for watching today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.